Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Emily here, and today I am going to show you how to style your hair. Well, actually how I style my hair. I got my hair done a little over 2 weeks now. I think it's been about 2 weeks. My friend Tommy, who is also a hairstylist at the salon that I work at, but recently I changed up my hair a little bit. I went back to being blonder after obviously being quarantined and not having my hair done or anything, just like you guys. So that felt really good to be blonde again. I had her pretty much give me a haircut that was as if a mullet and a shag had a baby, because I wanted to go really short with my layers, but I still wanted to hold on to my length because I haven't had long hair in forever. And so now that it's getting long, it was starting to drive me nuts. So I said, shag me up, make it kind of mullety, and this is what we got. So I absolutely love it. It's been so much fun to play around with. I thought I would do just a little tutorial of how I've been styling it lately, and that's pretty much the gist of it. So let's jump right in. So I prepped my hair with R&Co's Rocket, it's like their volumizing mousse. So I put that at the base, and then I did Bumble and Bumble. I think I was trying to use up like their thickening treatment spray, and that's really it. Some kind of volumizing product. Just going to clip up the top half of my hair, and all I did was rough dry my hair, knowing that I was going to go for more of a textured look. So I really didn't try and give myself like a smooth blowout. All I'm gonna do is go in with a wand. So I'm really just leaving the ends completely straight, and not really trying to get super curled, but just enough to get some texture and a little bit of a bend in there. And I am kind of taking bigger sections, but leaving it on a little bit longer on those bigger sections. Again, not trying to get actual curls, more or less just trying to get some texture. And if it ends up too curly, I will show you in a minute how we fix that. But I would say this is like my go-to overall look. I don't really wear my hair straight all too often, although she really did a good job with my cut to where if I do want to wear it straight and kind of smooth all those layers in between the cut and my hair type, I can do that. So now I'm just gonna kind of section off another part here, kind of like where my last bit of my longer hair is, right before it transitions to those shorter pieces, like so. And now I'm gonna take right at the crown. I always section that separately because what I like to do here is just take any brush of any sort and just do a very light back comb in there. And then I'm going to leave the ends out just like the rest. So even though this is shorter, I am still going to leave the ends free, because we mainly want volume, not curl. Oops. And you could hairspray as you go if you really want to lock it in there. Me, it's my first day, so I don't want to put a whole lot of product in there. Maybe by like day 4, I start doing that. Now is when I'm gonna find my part. I guess we'll go with here today. My hair part's kind of wherever. Again, leaving the ends out. This front piece, I kind of always put a little bend in it and then I get back to it, because the front always needs a little extra help. So then these are like my really short layers on the top. So what I like to do is just kind of get a little bit of lift in there. And I'm pretty much holding my barrel completely like horizontal. This front section, I usually refine it with my flat iron, but I still go in and do a little curl. Okay, so now this is pretty much what I'm left with, which ain't bad. But sometimes there are a few things I need to go in now with my flat iron. I'll take like this section here And I'll just kind of like recurl it in the direction I want it to go. Same with this. I really don't need to today, but if your curls are like really curly, what you can do is just kind of bump them down with your flat iron, but kind of like this. So then what sometimes I'll do is I'll take my fingers and kind of go from underneath. After I kind of get the overall feel that I'm going for, I will go in then with a styling product of some form, and I'm gonna use the Texture Air by Air Professional. I love this product. It is infused with quartz and mica, and I'm gonna lift up my separate layers. Shout out Jenny Strebe, I love you. And I just kind of play with it until she's laying how I want her to be. Got mega volume today. Trust me, my hair does not stay this voluminous all day. I wish. All right, well, that's all I have. This is just kind of how I'm styling my hair these days. Yeah, just rocking a new haircut, having fun with it. I don't know, I'm tempted to cut, you know, do a big cut, but for now, I'm gonna kind of just roll with this for a little bit and see what I end up wanting to do from here. But it's been fun to kind of mix up how I style it, and I don't know, just to have something slightly different, nothing crazy. You know, if there's any other videos you guys would like to see, hair or makeup related, or really anything for that matter, just let me know, comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would greatly appreciate it if you could just hit that subscribe button and share this video with anyone who you think might enjoy it. And I appreciate you guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.